The world is full of mysteries, some hidden in plain sight. Among these enigmas, ancient monks hold a special allure, cloaked in robes and steeped in tradition. Their lives are shrouded in whispers of wisdom and incredible feats. From the Himalayas to the bustling streets of Saigon, their stories have captivated humanity for centuries. These individuals dedicate their lives to something greater than themselves, seeking enlightenment and striving for inner peace. Their dedication is astounding, often living in extreme conditions and subjecting themselves to rigorous discipline. But why do they do it? What can we learn from their extraordinary lives? Throughout history, there have been countless tales of monks performing unbelievable feats. Levitation, superhuman strength, and the ability to survive in harsh environments are just a few examples. While some may dismiss these stories as myths, others find them a source of inspiration and wonder. Are these stories true, or are they simply legends passed down through generations? Join me as we explore the captivating world of ancient monks, uncover the truth behind the myths, examine the lives of these extraordinary individuals, and discover the lessons they can teach us about life, faith, and the potential of the human spirit. High in the Himalayas, where the air is thin, and the mountains touch the sky, lives a monk named Tenzin. His life is a testament to the power of solitude and the pursuit of spiritual enlightenment. He resides in a small cave, accessible only by a treacherous mountain path. This winding and perilous path symbolizes the journey of self-discovery and the challenges one must face to attain inner peace. Here, far from the noise and distractions of the modern world, Tenzin has dedicated his life to meditation and spiritual enlightenment. The cave, though small and unadorned, is a sanctuary where he can connect with the deeper aspects of his being. His days are simple, and his routine is austere. Every action, from the moment he wakes to the time he rests, is imbued with purpose and mindfulness. Tenzin rises before dawn, meditating for hours as the early morning light casts a serene glow over the mountains, serving as a backdrop to his deep contemplative practice. He sustains himself with a meager diet of barley and yak butter tea, simple nourishment that keeps his body healthy and his mind sharp. Tenzin lives in voluntary solitude. This isolation is not a burden but a choice, a path to greater understanding and enlightenment. Through contemplation and meditation, he explores the mysteries of existence and the nature of reality. He endures the harsh Himalayan winters. The snow and ice, though formidable, are mere elements of the natural world he has come to accept and embrace. He remains unfazed by the biting wind and freezing temperatures. His resilience is remarkable, a testament to his inner strength and unwavering commitment to his spiritual path. It speaks to the power of the human spirit. Tenzin's determination and fortitude are inspiring, showing us what is possible when we dedicate ourselves to a higher purpose. How does he survive? What drives him to endure such hardships? These questions lead us to reflect on our own lives and the challenges we face. His story is a testament to the strength of the human mind. It shows us that with the right mindset, we can overcome even the most daunting obstacles. When faced with extreme conditions, our bodies can adapt. Tenzin's life in the mountains is a perfect example of this incredible adaptability. Our minds can find peace even in the most challenging environments. Serenity is attainable through dedication and practice. Tenzin's life challenges our perception of what is possible. His existence in the Himalayas defies conventional norms and inspires us to rethink our own limitations. By observing Tenzin's journey, we are encouraged to push beyond our comfort zones and explore new possibilities. Throughout history, countless monks have sought solitude in remote places, dedicating their lives to spiritual growth. This tradition of seeking isolation for spiritual purposes is a common thread that connects many cultures and religions. They believe that by detaching from the material world, they can achieve true spiritual enlightenment. This detachment allows them to focus on the inner self and the pursuit of higher truths. Their stories are a powerful reminder that true strength comes from within. The resilience and determination of these monks serve as a beacon of hope and inspiration for all of us. It is a strength that we all possess. Each of us has the potential to tap into this inner reservoir of power and resilience. We just need to know where to look. Through introspection and mindfulness, we can uncover the peace and strength that lie within us all. In a world often dominated by negativity, stories of kindness and compassion shine brightly. These stories remind us of the inherent goodness that exists within humanity, even when it seems overshadowed by the darker aspects of life. One such story is that of Luang Por, a Buddhist monk from Vietnam. His journey and actions have touched countless lives, spreading a message of love and understanding. Luang Por's gentle demeanor and infectious smile captured the hearts of millions when a video of him went viral. This video showcased not just a moment but a way of life that many found inspiring and uplifting. In the video, Luang Por is seen walking through a bustling market. The market, filled with the sounds and sights of daily life, serves as the backdrop for his serene presence. His eyes are filled with warmth, reflecting a deep sense of compassion and understanding, qualities that are often rare in today's fast-paced world. He radiates a sense of peace that seems to transcend the chaos surrounding him. Amidst the noise and activity, his calm demeanor stands out, offering a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle. He stops to interact with people from all walks of life. Whether they are vendors, shoppers, or passers-by, he engages with them with genuine interest and kindness. He offers blessings and words of encouragement. His words, though simple, carry a profound impact, touching the hearts of those he meets. His actions are simple yet profound: a gentle touch, a kind word, or a warm smile. These small gestures have the power to make a significant difference in someone's day. They remind us of the power of human connection. In a world where digital interactions often replace face-to-face communication, these moments of genuine human contact are invaluable. What is it about Luang Por that resonates so deeply with people? Is it his unwavering commitment to kindness, or perhaps his ability to find joy in the simplest of things? Perhaps it is his genuine warmth and compassion. These qualities are evident in every interaction, making those around him feel seen and valued. Perhaps it is his ability to find peace and joy amidst the chaos of everyday life. His presence serves as a reminder that tranquility is not about the absence of noise but the ability to remain calm within it. Whatever the reason, Luang Por's story serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of kindness. His actions show that kindness is not just a grand gesture but a series of small, everyday acts that collectively make a big difference. It shows us that even small acts of compassion can have a ripple effect. One kind act can inspire another, creating a chain reaction of positivity. These effects can spread far and wide. A single smile or kind word can travel through a community, touching lives in ways we may never fully understand. Luang Por's story is a beacon of hope in a world that can often feel dark and divided. His life and actions remind us that there is always room for kindness, no matter the circumstances. He reminds us that we all have the power to make a positive difference in the world. Each of us, through our actions and words, can contribute to a more compassionate and understanding society. We can start by simply being kind to one another. Small acts of kindness, like holding a door open or offering a helping hand, can create a more connected and caring community. Something as simple as a smile can brighten someone's day. It can lift their spirits and remind them that they are not alone. It can restore their faith in humanity. In a world where negativity often dominates the headlines, stories like that of Luang Por remind us of the enduring power of kindness and compassion. The year is 1963. Vietnam is a country torn apart by war and political strife. The Vietnam War rages on with no end in sight. The conflict has engulfed the nation, affecting every aspect of life. The streets of Saigon are filled with tension and unrest. Protests and demonstrations are a common sight as people demand change. In a shocking act of defiance, a Buddhist monk named Thich Quang Duc sets himself ablaze. His self-immolation is a powerful statement against the oppression faced by Buddhists. Captured in a now iconic photograph, Thich Quang Duc's self-immolation sent shockwaves around the world. The image of Thich Quang Duc engulfed in flames became a symbol of resistance and sacrifice. His actions were a desperate plea for religious freedom. He sought to draw attention to the plight of Buddhists, who were being persecuted by the South Vietnamese government. Led by President Ngo Dinh Diem, the South Vietnamese government was known for its harsh policies against Buddhists. Thich Quang Duc's self-immolation was a protest against this persecution.